Welcome to Jam. My name is Ludwig, and I'd like to introduce you to Oclef's newest classes that'll teach you a creative way to make up your own music or simply jam. What does he mean by jam? I heard you call. Let me break it down for you. Number one, let's go ahead and select five notes: C, D, E, F, G. Standard, a classic. We'll go with that. Let's go around and change the order, add a little bit of rhythm. I'm happy with that. I think we need a left hand now so that the right hand doesn't get too lonely. Oh, I'm quite pleased with that. Why don't we add some decoration, some ornaments? All right, I'm starting to get the hang of it. Let's see where else I can take it. Okay, all right. What if we wanted to make it a little bit sad? I know what would cheer me up. A Disney. Don't let me go, Aladdin. Disney forever. All right, you get the point. Jamming is about having fun. It's about being creative, making up your own music, taking other people's music, twisting it around. So in jam class, you'll be learning quite a few things. Number one, you'll be learning how to play along with the backing track. Number two, you'll be learning how to create your own melodies. Number three, you'll be exploring music from all over the world, all sorts of different styles. And number four, the ultimate goal, being able to write your own piece of music, your own composition. So, without further ado, let's jam. Hey! All right. We'll see you in class.